usual, would like to thank the following. City Councilor El King Kasim Umaga of District 1, Barangay Kagawad Michael Mike Umaga of Barangay Kalarian, Police Officer of Licomoy Station, Sir Teng Tangkian, Minute Burger, San Jose Gusu Branch, Minute Burger, Tubungan Branch, and soon to open Mini Burger at MCLL Highway.